What's up, guys? Bob from Joy Anglers here. Today's video is going to be kind of a different one. We went out last night, not expecting to make a video at all. We didn't take a GoPro or anything. We were going for bass and carp, and it turned into a catfish mission. Adam brought some chicken I wasn't aware of, but I caught a big catfish on a tube. Adam caught his catfish on that piece of chicken that he brought, and it's gonna be all over the place. The editing's not gonna be very well. The video was recorded sideways and it was flipped up and sideways again. It was all over the place. It's very dark outside. You can't see too much. So I'm mainly just gonna put in the clips where you can see the catfish pretty well. Maybe some clips of the catfish running. But yeah, it was a really nice night. Ended up catching a bass afterwards. Didn't get that on video. Adam caught 4 or 5 bass and 2 crappie. But yeah, last night was a very good fishing trip to a local pond. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you later.
Get over here more. Follow that. This is 6-pound test line right here. Yeah.
Bobby, your flash isn't doing anything.
Oh, God, all right.
So want me to record?
Yeah, just go.
Okay.
Here, bring it towards me. I'll land. All right. That's a good
Oh my God! I hope it's bass.
4 pounds.
You got a scale?
I do not have it.
God.
I can guess. It's all right. I'm pretty good at it.
All right, he's tired out.
Bring it a little more this way. Get in front of me.
Yeah.
Don't rush it, or else he's just gonna rush again. Yeah. You calm it out more, it'll.
Dude.
That's definitely a bass. You see the head shake?
Yeah.
But what's tripping me out is it hasn't jumped at all.
Mm-hmm.
It's right here. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, this rod's behind you, Elizabeth. Just
Okay.
Stop touching line. Just let it come in. Oh, dude, this is not.
I can see the weed. It's just right here, so it's not fully out. Okay, it's coming towards me. It's gonna be a hard land because we got a little cliff right here.
I'm feeling like it might be snagged, but I don't know.
For all we know, it could be a catfish too.
Yeah.
Because catfish don't give up easy.
Is this an ultralight?
Yeah.
All right, we're fishing 6-pound line on an ultralight rod.
Super ultralight.
Oh.
It was right, oh, I seen it at the top. It's a big fish.
My drag is not just like super loose at all either.
Not too much. Okay. Can it still take drag?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and that needs to be loosened just a little bit. It was just a little too tight. Try and walk it over here.
My forearm's like burning.
Try it with a 200-pound fish.
Oh, I cannot wait till I try that.
Oh, it's a beast.
Oh,
It's a carp, I think. It's a carp.
Adam, stop touching that line, dude.
I'm not even
Dude,
pulling it.
Elizabeth.
I was just bumping it away.
Like I said, don't touch the line. Touch it.
Trust me, I'm not grabbing it. I'm just
Yeah.
bumping into it. Come on.
Did he eat
I'm
it,
just
dude?
not putting my finger in that mouth. I know what happened the last time.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, this is a beast.
Come on, Adam. Come on. Yes!
It's a beast!
Oh, God.
Look at this!
Holy crap.
That's like a 10-pound catfish.
Oh, my God. Dude, did he eat that tube?
He ate
the tube.
Look how tiny this lure. This is meant for bluegill.
Can you see him, Elizabeth, on the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
For a bluegill.
Right, there we go. A little white tube.
Don't put your fingers in there.
I definitely not. Holy crap.
This is a beast.
I'm freaking out right
It's
now.
really slimy. Just so you
Oh,
know.
yeah, I know.
That, like I said, this is almost 10 pounds. You feel
Dude.
that?
Adam, can you turn your line in so we can get some pictures?
Yeah.
Holy crap, dude.
Trying to get all the slime off my
He is a freaking
Don't
monster.
worry about putting him back in
huge.
yet. He can last for a while.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, he's a freaking monster. Oh, there we go. There you go. He's pissed off. Oh, he is so pissed off. Oh, he's croaking at me. Oh man, this is my biggest catfish yet, dude.
That's bigger than my biggest catfish.
Oh man.
Oh, I know why it's going on. Because my damn HCR was off.
Dude,
This is gonna be some.
let's take a picture real quick.
Let me get you one.
Okay, I took like 5.
Okay,
So hopefully I got a decent one.
Adam's hooked up on a big fish, big catfish.
Chicken for the win, boys.
Chicken.
What's going on my YouTube channel?
Oh my god.
It's a beast.
Dude, I'm gonna have to throw a piece of chicken out.
This is a beast.
This
This
is
is why I
really-
sat here, though. This is why I sat
Yeah.
here. I wasn't gonna leave my rod by itself.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh my god, this is a beast.
Elizabeth, I think we need to set up a catfish rod.
Yeah.
I can barely move the reel. Push this.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh god.
I gotta get away from these reeds.
Yeah, get away from those.
Oh my god, this is huge. Pretty sure there's 12 pound test line on here, so. He wants to go for it.
Oh god, you got a huge catfish. I think you're good.
Should be good now. Oh my god, he's like a rock.
Alright, tell the cam what you were using.
Carolina rig, I think with a really small hook, with a snelled hook. Just a nice big chunk of chicken fillet.
Chicken fillet.
Raw, no cooked. Oh god. But yeah, just a short Carolina rig.
What is this, like a medium light rod or medium?
This should be medium. Yeah, medium.
Medium rod.
Not a medium heavy, just medium. With the Shimano Sahara, I think it's 3000. Come on. Whatever this is, dude, it's big.
Definitely.
I can feel it going through the weeds too. Oh, I feel another one bursting. It's getting ready to take off again. Dude, it gave me some big runs.
Yeah,
Some
I heard
30,
that.
40 feet runs.
Oh, there he goes, there he goes.
It's like pulling in a log.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. I need to listen to this.
Oh, he's
Kind of like a
pulling.
carp.
Alright, what would you prefer, the squawfish and the Stanislaus or this?
It's a hard choice. Because most squawfish I could rarely get this good of a fight out of. But the really big ones, it's pretty similar. But for how quick this went off, I was only sitting there for like 8 minutes.
Yeah, not too long at all.
I'm just glad I didn't leave it there.
Yeah.
I would have either got spooled or just never got the fish. Come on.
I was still using those tubes. I caught another bass off camera. You got me, so I'm gonna get you.
Right here. Right here, right here.
Oh, dude. That might be bigger than mine.
I think it is.
Okay. Oh, dude, I think he's bigger than mine.
Oh my, yeah, it's way bigger.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, God.
Get out of there, get out of there.
He's pulling this right now.
Ooh, that thing's big.
That's a brute.
I'm coming this way, actually.
New PB boy. And girl.
Oh, God. He is fat.
Just grab the whole body and fling it out.
Oh, God.
That's way more than 10
He is
pounds.
huge. Look at that belly. Oh, my my god, he is freaking huge, Adam.
Dude, this is like 15 pounds.
Dude,
Dude, feel it. This is like 15
Yeah.
pounds.
Oh god.
15 easy.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
he is heavy. He is a freaking brute, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh man. All right, let me clean my hands off. We'll get pictures and stuff.
Do you want me to keep recording?
Yeah, go ahead. He doesn't have a nice sign code on him though. All right, where's you want me to get pictures on your phone, Adam?
Oh, fuck.
He bit you?
Good.
Oh, okay. Here's my pliers.
Damn, that hurt.
Sorry guys, excuse the language.
Sorry, people. Sorry. That really, really hurt.
Can you
Kind of
turn-
felt like
turn
a
that
vice
side?
grip smashing my finger.
We're gonna have some weird editing going on with the camera being turned sideways and back upright.
Sorry.
Yeah, their
Oh,
skin's
man.
like leather, by the way.
Shit, I just put my knee on one.
Language.
Oh, we'll edit that out. Okay, let's go. On the tip of the head. Hold that there. All the way.
Oh,
Dude,
29.
he is 29. He is almost 30.
Oh,
Oh, he's like 29 and a quarter.
He keeps trying to bite
All
my
right,
finger.
he was 29 and a quarter. Mine ended right here. You got a good 4
inches.
inches on me. Yeah.
Come on, beast.
You get that girth or no? No
I'm gonna
girth.
get it. He's getting
All right, yeah.
Come on, big guy.
Oh my God, that is a brute. He is off instantly.
That, I'm not lying. That's easily 50
I
pounds.
like it.
I mean,
All right, that was a huge fish, guys. He caught that on the chicken fillet. Honestly, I thought mine was gonna be the big fish of the night. It's 25 and a half, or 9 and a half, 25 inches, right? Yeah, 25 inches.
15 around.
15 inches around. I don't know. I think mine might have been more impressive considering it was on an ultralight with 6-pound test and a
I agree.
tube. And a
Yeah.
tube. You agree?
That's fair game.
All right, yeah. I'm basically the winner. There's no challenge or anything, but I won that one, all right? Alright guys, that's the end of the video. It's just a short, spontaneous catfish video. Like I said, we didn't go out there with a plan to film. We went out there mainly for bass and carp. We ended up catching that catfish, and we ended up catching, I think 5 or 6 bass that night. I caught one, Adam caught the rest of them, and he also caught 2 crappie using those little tubes that I caught that catfish on. We didn't end up hooking into any carp at all. After I caught that first catfish, we kind of just steered away from the carp, and we decided to focus on the bass and the catfish after that. We didn't see any bluegills, we didn't get any of those, which was a real surprise because those ponds that we were fishing, they're packed to the max with bluegill, I swear. Every time I go out there, I don't go out there without a time where I don't see a bluegill or don't catch one. But yeah, that's basically the end. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos. I have one more lined up, 2 more lined up actually. One is a review and testing of the Fishing Cert 8X Godline braid. I teamed up with them not too long ago, and they sent me some spools to try out. And then another one is for the Ecos Fishing Gear Kicks jerkbait, or a soft plastic jerkbait. So just stay tuned for those. Keep an eye out for them. They're going to be some good videos. Yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. You have a good day.